Hello children and parents, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Remy teacher. Before that, I'll say something. Meeta teacher has previously taught you pattern U. Am I right? And she explained to you why we are learning the patterns. So today we are going to do the next pattern, that is W pattern we are going to do. So before that, I'll show you how to write W pattern in a hand. You're going to take top to bottom and then curve, then again bottom to top. So what we are going to write today? W pattern. What we are going to write today? W pattern. So let's start. Parents, you're going to help them out in writing the W pattern. So children, come on, take a new page. Previously you wrote U pattern, right? So now we are going to take a new page and let's start the writing. So before that, we'll write the date today. What is the date today? Today is 24th. So let's write 24.7.2020. That is 7th month 2020. Yes. And then heading. Parents, you help them in writing the heading. That is W pattern. Okay, so let's start. First, children, you are going to see the teacher, how teacher is going to write. First from, can you see? Yes. First from red to the second blue line. Then you are going to curve and then you are going to take it on the first blue line. Then again down to the bottom of the blue line. Then again on the top of red line. Did you got it? Yes. So now we are not going to separate and write it. We are going to touch the same line and we are going to write the W pattern. See the teacher? Yes. Again the curve, semi-curve and then again line. Red to blue line. Then blue to red line. Did you got it? Can you see? Yes. So you are going to keep on practicing the W pattern. That is red to blue line, then blue to red line. Again you are going to touch the same line and you are going to write it blue to red to blue and blue, this first blue, then to second. Again. It's a W pattern. It's a W pattern. Can you see it? Yes. Again we are going to complete the full page. Okay. So you are going to leave the middle line. That is the red. Then again you are going to start in the red line to blue line. Again red to the end of the blue. Then the second blue line to up. That is the red line. Keep on doing this. See, it's a W pattern, very easy pattern for you to write it. Okay, the next one. See, W, and you are going to write on the same line. We are not going to separate it, the same line. The last one, red to blue, blue to red, red line to blue line to red line. you all have learned very nicely. Red to blue line to red line. Yes, we have done the W pattern. So children, I hope you all learned today W pattern and to write the date. So parents, we have written till here. Children, you are going to practice at home 2 times in the page. Okay, you are going to practice how many times? 2 times. With not the help of your mommy and daddy, you are only going to write with the pencil on your notebook. Okay, teacher will check it. So today we have learned W pattern. Today we have learned W pattern. See you next time. Bye children.